Ever found yourself distracted by subtitles when watching a video on VLC Media Player, or maybe you just want a cleaner viewing experience? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove subtitles step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 easy ways to either turn off subtitles for a specific video or disable them altogether so they don't appear in the future. Let's jump right in. First, let's tackle the quickest way to remove subtitles when you're already watching something. Imagine you've just loaded up your favorite movie, but those subtitles are getting in the way. Don't worry, this method is super simple. Start by playing the video in VLC just as you normally would. At the top of the VLC window, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the subtitles option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a category inside called either sub-track or subtitle track, depending on your version. Now, everything you need is right here. Hover your mouse over this option, and you'll get a drop-down list showing all the available subtitle tracks for your video, including ones that might have come embedded or ones you added yourself. What you want to do is select Disable from the list. Just like flicking a light switch, this turns off the subtitles immediately for the video you're watching. If you're the type who sometimes toggles subtitles on or off depending on the movie or your mood, this is a great quick fix, super fast, and it doesn't impact any of your other VLC settings. But maybe you're thinking, I never want subtitles to show up automatically again. In that case, you'll want to change the default settings so VLC always starts videos with subtitles turned off. Here, how to make that change. First, look for the Tools menu at the top of your VLC window. Click on Tools and from the drop-down select Preferences. This is where you can adjust all sorts of playback options, but today we're just focusing on subtitles. At the top of the Preferences window, you'll see some tabs. Click on the one labeled Subtitles OSD. OSD stands for on-screen display, just in case you're curious. It's basically anything that shows up over your video, like pause icons, subtitles, and so on. Now, right near the top, you'll spot a checkbox labeled Enable Subtitles. By default, this box is usually checked, which is why VLC automatically plays subtitles if it finds them. Go ahead and uncheck this box. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. Once you've unchecked Enable Subtitles, click Save at the bottom of the window. Quick note here, you might need to restart VLC for this change to take effect, so don't worry if the subtitles don't disappear immediately. Just close VLC, open it back up, and try playing a video. Subtitles should now be disabled by default unless you manually turn them on. So that's all there is to it. Whether you want to turn off subtitles for just one video or set things up so they never distract you again, VLC makes it really straightforward. If you ran into any tricky spots or if you're curious about other VLC features, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to hit the like button if this tutorial made your life a little easier, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.